Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to check TSC registration status online. So you'll go to Chrome or any other browser of your choice, and then you search TSC registration status. So once you have typed that, you click enter. Then it will open this page. You'll click on this check registration status, and then here you are going to enter your ID number or passport number. So once you have entered your ID number, maybe it can be 39 66 41 or 25 89, your valid ID number, and then you click on search. So when you click on search, it will prompt to this part down here. You can be able to see that this is my name and the registration status, it is in progress, and the date of application is today. So this is how we check for TSC registration status.